Hi, my name is Nandip and he's Anirudh. Today we'll be speaking about global warming. To define global warming, it's a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effects caused by the increased level of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants. The Earth's average temperature rose to about 0.6 degrees Celsius in the 20th century. The major causes of global warming are fuel combustion, which includes electricity and transportation, which adds to about almost like 50% of the global warming, which is followed by industrial emissions, human activities, deforestations, human activity which follows by deforestation, land use. The natural causes like volcanic eruptions also causes greenhouse effect. The rising CO2 level is another major cause for the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide is a key. The concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere are increasing at an accelerating rate from decade to decade. For the past decade, the average annual increase is 2.1 ppm per year. Our ocean absorbs more than 90% of the heat trapped by human-produced greenhouse gases. Sea levels have risen about 8 inches since the beginning of the 20th century. The ocean is projected to rise as much as 3 feet or above by the end of this century. This slide shows the countries with CO2 emissions. The dark blue color basically suggests the countries with maximum CO2 emissions. China tops the world ranking by emitting 8,715 metric ton of carbon dioxide every year, followed by the United States, China, and India. The next slides will be continued by my friend Anirudh.
We just saw what Nandeep showed, like the countries that emit the maximum amount of carbon dioxide. So these are the areas that are most affected by the climate change due to increase in carbon dioxide. You have China, India, United States, and even Alaska contributes to this. Climate change is a huge problem with global warming. So global warming has adverse effects on human life, water bodies, ecosystem, and rising temperatures. Extreme weather affect the mental and physical health of people. Why do you think there's a decrease in the number of turtles, the number of penguins, polar bears, etc.? Everyone must have seen Day After Tomorrow and how ocean currents may affect the world climate, and these are some control measures that you can use to reduce global warming, that is recycle, go green. Did you know that livestock farming and ruminating livestock exhale methane to a great extent? So increase in livestock farming increases the amount of methane in the air. Plant a tree and celebrate Earth Day religiously. Drive carefully, like carpooling, you can carpool. So this is one application that we have created, the warming application. It tells you it tells you if the air you breathe is safe or not. You just enter the carbon dioxide content, and it will tell you if the air you breathe is correct or not. The further enhancement for this application will include a list of the countries with the maximum carbon dioxide emission, for example. So act fast before it's too late. We don't want to be living on Mars soon, since we have found water on Mars. 2050 is the estimated date that we can calculate based on the data that planet Earth might live. And so, thank you. Any questions?